Good morning. Are you Leonard Gillery?
Yes, ma'am.
And so, Mr. Gillery, let's start with cause number 25. Is it printing? Hold on, I can't. Yeah, there it goes. All right, in cause number 25, DCCR 0902, you're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon from June 19th of 2025. The indictment alleges that you were previously convicted of a felony offense, which means for punishment purposes, if you were found guilty, you would be considered a first-degree enhanced, and the minimum punishment would be 15 years up to 99 years or life in prison. Do you understand? And I have a plea bargain rejection here on the tablet that you signed with Mr. Lewis that shows that the district attorney's office has made an offer if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty for a 10-year term in prison that would run at the same time as a 10-year term in that motion to revoke your probation case. You have every right to reject this offer and have this case set for trial. I do want to make sure you understand what the possible consequences are and what your options are. And do you want to reject that offer and have that case set for trial? So what we're going to do now, Mr. Gillery, is go through that motion. I'm going to get pleas of true or not true on that motion, and then we'll have a hearing on that motion first at a later date. I'll make a decision on that motion, and then we can go forward with your trial after that, okay? So will he waive the formal reading of the motion?
He does, Judge.
In cause number 22-40982, I have a second amended motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation June 26th of 2024 for unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon, a third-degree felony, and that was a 7-year deferred probation. Is that correct? Speak up, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. And it alleges that you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that you committed the offense of burglary of a vehicle June 8th of 2025 in Hardin County, Texas. And is that true or not true?
True.
I'm sorry?
Not true.
Okay. Count 2 alleges that you failed to immediately report the arrest from June 8th, 2025 to your probation officer. Is that true or not true?
Not true.
Count 3 alleges that you failed to provide verification of performing the community service hours as required. And is that true or not true?
Not true.
Count 4 alleges that you failed to provide verification of participating in an education program for your GED. Is that true or not true? Count 5 alleges that you failed to provide verification of entering and successfully completing the Moral Recognition Therapy, the MRT program.
Not true.
Count 6 alleges that you failed to pay your court-assessed fees as directed, and as of June 16th, 2025, you were $1,140 behind. Is that true or not true?
True.
And then it says second amended, but it never said first amended, so I think it's probably what we were all thinking it was. Anyway, count 7 alleges that you committed the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon June 19th of 2025, and is that true or not true?
Not true.
Count 8 alleges that you committed the offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle June 19th of 2025. Is that true or not true?
Not true.
Count 9 alleges that you possessed a firearm on June 19th of 2025 in violation of your deferred adjudication order. Is that true or not true? All right. So did you enter your plea of true to count 6 freely and voluntarily? All right, then I'm going to find that count true, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty and revoke your probation. I'm not going to do that today. I'll reset it for a hearing and ask the probation department to do an updated report. Mr. Coleman, does the state anticipate witnesses with regard to those the offenses that are alleged?
Yes, at least a couple of witnesses.
So we'll set it on a date when we're not in trial, not a docket date, so that we have time to have that hearing. All right? You can go back with the bailiff.